Hi, in this video, I'm gonna explain some of the things that you can do with React Router DOM and authentication. Now, when you are having an authentication system in your website, you might be expecting that some of the pages will not be accessible outside the authentication handle. You know, there are some pages that should be restricted and some pages that you can visit, they are public. Now, how you can achieve that with something like React and client side routing like React Router DOM, which is pretty famous, and even better, a new version came out that is 6.0. And here's a little implementation of how it looks like now. It used to be like some of the tags that dictates key how you can render, how you can go from here to there, and what should be placed under what route. But now it's one JSON file, which is pretty awesome. Now I have whipped up a Vite application, pretty simple, deleted all the boilerplate code. You can just go to app.js, and uh, there's this just JSON file which does all the job. Now I in a real project I will create a pages folder here and create a home.jsx, or if I'm using TypeScript that would be tsx, but like this, and doing some code, like homepage. But the thing is, I don't really have time for all that, so I'm gonna skip that part. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, always keep the name first letter capital of the name, and like this I can do that. And if I visit the home page, now you can see home there. It's fine. The first route is easy, second route is login, which is fine because you need a login page, and I'm not gonna create a component again. That's just crazy. I really don't have much time. Now, besides these two pages, you want all of the other pages to be secured. Now, how to make it secure, that's upon you. You can use JWT or cookie, I don't really care. But the thing is, you can make them unaccessible uh, with something like this. Maybe there is an admin page, but hey, log in first. What's there? Oh, this is the page where you log in. Now, how do I achieve this? There's this simple component. Actually, there's this hierarchy first within here. See, these two pages are fine. The third page has an element whose children are all of these pages, and these are independent routes, but they are wrapped by this protected routes component, and it takes nothing. Like, it's just a component that either lets the outlet, which is the component inside that, or you can show something else. Now, something else means the login thing that I just showed here, now you can either like comment this out, and you just don't want people to see your admin's page if they are not authenticated. So if you go here, well, you got redirected. So there is a neat little component that you can use as a wrapper for your protected components or pages. Now inside these children's, I can add more routes which will not be available to the public without having a JWT. So here it's just checking if there is a JWT, and if there is, then you can visit the page whatever you are visiting. Otherwise you get redirected to the login page. But instead of that, you can do like decode the JWT and see uh, see if it's expired. And of course, I don't really need to use uh, ADOB. I can just do this and like this, and if it's expired, remove it and navigate and return navigate. Otherwise, you can just show the outlet. Now here's like, this is another thing that you can do. Like, this is just one way to handle it. It's a little bit better than just checking if there's something in the local storage under token key. Well, it can be more secure and it can have additional things, but it's just an example. And So yeah, I think this is it for now. You can use this as a wrapper. Of course, I didn't invent this or this method of doing authentication like this. I was just doing some research. I had hard time first figuring it out, and I found this crazy thread which is closed on 24th of June, and it has this way right here, which is pretty awesome. I wanted to just document it for myself from the future if I stumble across such problem again, and for you as well, I guess. Thanks for watching. See ya till the next time.